Hello and welcome to this DevCast where I'll be talking about object destructuring and destructuring assignment using objects. So the first thing to note here is that with the current version of Node, which I'm using 5.10, you'll need to use the harmony flag to allow destructuring of and destructuring assignment. So that's node -- harmony destructuring and then your file. Okay? So let's start with an example. If I have a data set called actors and it's a literal object, so we'll use this as our data set with 4 keys in it. And a typical way to assign one of the key values to a variable is with the equal assignment operator. So here, if I console log fight club, obviously it'll be the array from our actors fight club. All right, so with object destructuring, I can use this notation where I use a curly brace syntax. So let or var curly brace, and we'll have a comma delimited for every key that I'm going to essentially extract from our actors data set there. So then I'll use the equal sign, and on the right side of the assignment operator, I'll have our actors data. Okay, so what this is saying is I'm going to create new variables called hackers, fight club, Blade Runner, and Serenity, and assign them to the keys that match inside of the actors object. Okay, so if I console log Serenity, so now Serenity is a new variable in this scope. All right, so one more thing I wanted to show is that if you had a key that did not exist, all right, and if I console log Mr. Robot, which is not in the actors object, it will be undefined. So it's like saying let Mr. Robot equals actors.Mr. Robot, which doesn't exist. You can use the default values. So just by using the equal sign in our destructuring syntax here, I can say that if Mr. Robot does not exist inside of this object here, then we'll assign its value to the default value here. Okay, so that should say anonymous. And that's about it. Thanks.